This AI tool allows you to generate the children book stories with the consistent characters. Well, you can also upload these videos on the YouTube, or you can provide this service to the any freelance marketplace. So how this AI tool works? Let's find out. So go to your search bar and search for READKIDZ AI. Then click the first link and we have this interface in front of us. So this is the website and these are all of the things that this AI tool offers you. We have the illustrated children books, we have the illustrated animated videos. So these are all of the stories that have been generated by the community. And to generate your own video, you just need to click on the AI generate. Well, we also have the templates that you can explore, but we're gonna build it from scratch. So simply click on the AI generate and then we have two options. Do you want a single book or the book series? Let's go with a single book. And then this will give you some options. You can enter your prompt and you can also select the age bracket. So we have the 7 to 9, 9 to 12. It depends on you which one do you want to use. Then you can also select the story type. We have the magical stories, modern school stories, sci-fi stories, zombies, themes. So we have almost every genre in the stories. Let's go with the magical adventure. Then we have a couple of more options like the third person perspective, we have the first person. Then you can also select the aspect ratio. Let's go with the 16:9. And next, enter the idea of your story. For example, a story of a rabbit that meets the wizard and wizard teach the magic to rabbit. Then rabbit control the other animals of the jungle. And let's hit generate. And there we have a complete story in front of us. So if you want to make any changes to this, it depends on you. You can just make changes to this. But if you're okay with that one, just go to the next step, that is extract roles. And in this step, we have to give the roles to the characters. So as you can see, it generated 3 different roles for 3 different characters. So the first character is the flicker. Then we have the category is animal, role type, and all of the information is here. And the next step is just to confirm the roles. And one more thing, once you confirm the roles, you can't make changes to the roles after confirming your input. Next, we have the option to choose the style. So we can choose between different kind of style. We have the fresh style, modern anime style. We have the Ghibli kind of styles. So it depends on you which one style do you want to choose. We have almost every single illustration style. So for this one, let's go with the postal fairy tale style. Now it's time to generate the characters. So we have only 3 characters. On the left side, you can see we have the 3 characters. And to generate your character, you just need to click on the generate button. And there we go. We have the images. Now, if you want to regenerate this, it depends on you. If you don't like the image, you can just click on the regenerate button. And this will create 4 different variations. So you can choose between the images that you like the most. For example, I like the first one, so I will simply click on the U1, that means upscale first, and this is confirmed. And in the same way, we'll generate other characters. So this is going to be our wizard character, and next we will generate the fox character. And here we have all of our characters. And if you want a detailed guide on the characters, you can just click on the academy. And here we have all of the details about the characters, how you should generate the character, how the face should look like, and these are do and don'ts that you have to take care of. Now let's go to the next step, and the next step is confirming the details of every single page. So we have all of the script for every single page. You can just rewrite it if you want to make any changes to this. It depends on you, but if you are okay with this one, simply hit next button. And now we have to generate the images for these pages. Let's start with this first one. And if you want, you can just generate all of them at once. And there we go. Now we have 4 different variations of each image. And again, if you don't like the results, you can just always regenerate the images if you want to. But if you're okay with this one, you can just upscale the image that you like the most. For example, in the first image, I would like to go with the 4th. In this one, let's go with the first one. And once we have these images, just hit next button. And now you can see we have the title in the opening pages. So you can also adjust the size of these titles, and you can also drag and drop wherever you want to. You can change the font style, you can change the font size, and you can also make other changes, like you can make it bold, you can make it in Italian, and you can also change the color of the background. And as you can see, we have the text in all of these images. So simply adjust the text accordingly that you want on your images. So I'm gonna do this to all of these images. So simply adjust the text. And for the remaining pages, you can see we have the text in all of these images, but we just need to generate an image. So let's hit this AI image, and you can see we have the prompt here. This is the default prompt. Simply hit generate, and there we have it. So in the same way, you can choose the images that you want, and you have to do this with the every single page. And once you have all of these images, you have to check them manually and adjust them accordingly, because in few cases the size doesn't align perfectly. So check all of them manually. And once you are done, from the right side, you can see we have the option to add the AI voice. So just generate the voice for all of these dialogues, and all you need to do, just check all of these boxes one by one and hit the generate voice. And by the way, you also have the option to change the voiceover actors. So once we have generated the voiceover, we are ready to continue. And to see the preview, just click on the present, and here we have it. Now we have all of the pages according to our story. You can easily generate an illustration story, and you can notice that the characters are consistent in all of these images. So if you are trying to convey any freelancing work, it's gonna be a lot easy for you. And now hit generate video, and from here this will ask you for the effect and the transition that you want to add in your video. So let's go with this romance, and for the animation let's go with this distance, and you can also select the background music and hit generate. Alright, so here is the output, and let's watch this.
The rabbits whispered magic. In a forest where sunlight spilled through leaves like liquid gold, there lived a small gray rabbit named Flicker. Unlike the other rabbits who spent their days nibbling clover and darting between ferns, Flicker had a curious nature that often led him far from the warren.
Well, this is 4 minutes long video. This is a very long video. I can't play the whole video. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.